I think that Judaism is trying to offer a very profound teaching that really is an expression of everything we've been talking about relating to the nature of life in this world and the mission of our own people and of all human beings. And that is balancing both on one hand the particular and the other hand the universal. To really know who we are, to know each of us have something special we've come into this world to bring. We all have our own individual identities, our own collective identities. We all have our own gifts and talents. We all have our own truths to reveal and share. And at the same time that we're holding on to that idea of understanding our own particular nature, our own connection to others, to also at the same time understand that we're not alone in this. The whole world is working to fulfill that mission. We have to see ourselves as connected to everyone. At the one hand, we talk about ourselves as a separate people dedicated to God for a particular mission. On the other hand, we talk about the vision of the whole world together serving God in the house of prayer for all peoples, and there being peace between not just all nations and peoples, but peace between warring creatures. The wolf lie down with the lamb, and etc. And so it's on one hand, we live in a world, and this is the unique both gift and challenge to live within a universe of separate reality, but to embrace from that separateness the oneness. And that is the work we're all trying to do. And these meditations are to help us hold both those places and not to see that they have to be mutually exclusive, but they actually all belong together. And that's the unique path, particularly of our time, I believe.